Welcome to my channel French Life. In this video, I am going to describe you about the different French accents and their uses with example. There are 5 accents: accent aigu, accent grave, circonflexe, tréma, cédille. Now, each one of accents will describe in detail. Accent aigu only used on letter E. When E has accent aigu, then it will pronounce like sound A. For example, étudiant means student, marché means market. Accent grave used on letters A, E and U. When it is used on letter A, there will be no change in sound. It is used only to distinguish words with same spellings but different meanings. For example, a means to and a means has. When it is used on letter E, it will sound like a. For example, très means very, mère means mother. It is similar to the accent grave on letter A. For example, où means or versus où means where. Circonflexe used on all the vowels A, E, I, O and U. It doesn't change the pronunciation. It only used to indicate the presence of letter S in the past. For example, forêt means forest, hôpital means hospital. It is also used to distinguish words with same spellings but different meanings. For example, sure means on versus sûr means sure. Tréma used on letters E, I and U. It always placed on the second vowel of the word and it means both the vowels pronounced separately. Here are some examples. Coincidence means coincidence and Noël means Christmas. Cédille used on letter C only. When the C comes before A, O or U, then C should sound like soft sound of K, that is S. For example, France means French and garçon means boy.